guys, today I'm here with Julia here once more. Same packaging as last time. Open the box and see the wig. Before we jump into that, let's see what else we got. Got a wig cap and a headband. That's it. Then we have the wig here. This is a headband wig today, and it's 24 inches long. There's another headband that they packaged inside the wig bag. From you guys to the headband wig bag, I'm gonna know it's quick. It's quick. It's gonna be quick and easy. The quickest wig for install. Yeah, and a lot of people still come to me. A lot of people still come to me and ask me and just inquire about headband wigs because it's so convenient, so easy for them to wear, especially for the people who are not, they don't really understand how to, install lace wigs. This is definitely a go for them. Now this is some body wave here. It's a highlighted wig, as you can see. It's 24 inches long. It's so nice and soft and luscious. It's very nice and luscious. Beautiful. And these curls, these waves are so in there, I don't feel like I'll have to go over these at all. I'm running my fingers through it and it's not really, it's just fluffing it more. It's not messy or anything, and I'm not getting any shedding. That's one thing I realized from headband wigs. Most of them that I've received, they don't shed a lot. They're shedding now, but not a lot. Yeah, especially if you wear them a lot over time, they will shed, but it's less than the average lace front wig. But yeah, so the inside of this has a total of 4 combs, 3 in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Standard cap construction. It has this band portion here. Now some people go ahead and wear it just as is with just the black part. Me personally, I don't like it. It's like you're going out with your underwear showing. So I feel like this is the undergarment of the wig. I don't like for it to be exposed, so it's nice to dress it up with a headband. So that's what I do all the time, and I just prefer that vibe. So all I do usually is just do my edges of my natural hair, and then I throw this on. So I'm gonna do that and I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so with the band, you can just adjust it as tight as you like. If it's more to the end, then it'll be slacker. The further in you go, then the tighter it is. And I'll just put it in the middle portion. And it's very secure, by the way. Very, very secure. So I'm just gonna slip it on.
When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move.
So it has the combs as well inside, so you can go ahead and stick it into your braids, just like you want. I didn't do too much with my edges today, so sticking the combs in ensures that it's way more secure on your head, and it looks so good already. So as I said, I don't like the black portion to be showing like this, so I usually go ahead, try out the headbands that I get, see which one I prefer. By the way, just put it out there, these videos are always much quicker because it's so easy to install a headband wig. So I'm gonna kind of brush out. That looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the headbands. It's just 2, so I'm gonna try on them both. I think I'm gonna stick with this one, so I'm gonna try this one on. Should I go with this one though? I'm gonna try this one on first.
See me wanna holla, 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 holla. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a jump top in pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla, swolla. them like hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. From my trunk popping, pocket swola, 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 swola. Your attention, spending that moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a trunk popping, pocket swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, 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 swola. Swola, swola, swola.
Guys, that's it for the one that I decided to go with. It is really nice. I love how bouncy the hair is. It's very bouncy. The body is beautiful. It's very full, but it's like not heavy. It's not heavy at all. It's very manageable. It's, as I said, the luster is very realistic, you know, and it's not tangling, nothing like that. You know, it looks really good. The fact that it's holding the curls and it's just a body wave, you know, it's a really nice body wave, headband wave. So I love that about it. Imagine just going in further with this and just using your wand to get more like bigger curls. Absolutely gorgeous. Definitely perfect for summertime. Perfect for, you know, if you're that person, if you want a little bit of color but you don't want too much, this is the wig. This is the wig look for you. It is really nice. I feel like you could get away with wearing this to work because it's really not low. So I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box so you guys can go ahead and check it out if you're interested in purchasing it from Julia Hair. Yes, all the specifications, all that good stuff. Go ahead and check out my description box for that. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And yeah, don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. That's where all the lit vlogs are, you know. Yeah, really lit vlogs coming up. So I recently went on vacation, so those videos are over there right now, those vlogs. If you know, just go and stay tuned, go and check that out. And more lit content coming, so go ahead, subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you doing? You know, it's free. So yeah, I really do appreciate you guys' support. Thanks again for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and be on this side. Bye.